Welcome to Virtualize Everything. Today's video is going to be a relatively short but a very useful one. So, after all, you know that there's many different ways of hackers breaking into your system. And today most of those ways are social manipulation. But what if they could actually break the supply chain, get into the software's ISO, make alterations, and you're downloading what you believe is a trusted. Your computer is long ago infected before you ever realize it, before you ever have software installed on it. Well, luckily today, most of the software providers, especially in the open source world, provide SHA hash sums for you to use to check your software before you install it. Here we're looking at Proxmox, one of my favorite pieces of software, and one that's greatly demoed on this particular channel. And their download page freely shows their SHA sum. Today I've set up, using Proxmox, a Windows VM to show you how you can hash these files and check these files on Windows before you ever install them. So the first thing you're going to need to do is click here on the bottom where it asks you to search. If you don't have this, you can press the Windows key and R, I believe, to activate the same search feature. And we're going to type in PowerShell. Once you open PowerShell, you're going to want to navigate to the file path where you've downloaded the particular file you have. We're going to use a combination of ls commands to view the file structure of the folder that we're in and cd commands to change directory. We'll start off by entering ls and we can see that we're in the user directory. So we want to go to cd downloads in my case because I downloaded this file using the web browser into the downloads file. And then we'll run ls one more time to see what's in that folder. The next command we're going to issue is called get file hash, and then we'll give the path to the particular file we want. Since we're already in the downloads directory, all we need to do is provide the file name, in our case Proxmox VE 8.0-2. Then we can press enter and the system will hang up for a few seconds and then it should spit out a hash. Here's the hash in SHA 256. Now we can verify it to the line that's provided here on the Proxmox website, and if everything was correct, the hash will be very similar, or actually identical. Even if it's similar, you know you got a bad file. So the next steps we can take is to actually install this software, or in Proxmox's case, flash it off to an SD drive. As always, I hope you enjoyed this short video about how to hash files on Windows. As always, have a good night.